Welcome to the Eighth Wonder. Today's episode is going to be on how to invest $100 for beginners in the stock market. So basically today I'm just going to show you, if you're a beginner, you've never invested, this is to simplify how to get started and invest in the stock market. So pretty much I'm going to give you if you have $100 to invest in the stock market, I'm going to show you how to allocate it and which companies to buy. So me personally, if I had $100, what I would do is I would spread it across 4 different categories, which would be 1, tech, 2, consumer goods, and then 3, finance. So you have those 3, and then lastly, I sneak in a monthly paying dividend company. So first company that I'll start off with is a tech company, which is Iron Mountain. So it's Iron Mountain. Iron Mountain's about $30. So I would take $30, buy 1 share of Iron Mountain, which falls under the tech. 2, which would be consumer goods, a company in consumer goods. So I would invest in Kraft Foods. So Kraft Foods, that's another $30. So that brings my total up to $60. Third is a finance company, which is Bank of America, which is another $30. So that brings my total up to $90. And then last but not least, I would invest in a monthly paying dividend, which is Prospect Capital, and they pay monthly, and that's the remaining $10. So that pretty much it runs about Prospect Capital is about $7-8, so that leaves you a little room for the others if they're like more than 30 or something like that. But pretty much your entire $100, that's where I would start off, and then from there start building your confidence up. So that's today's lesson in how to invest $100 for beginners in the stock market. Tomorrow is going to be on stocks, ETFs, and REITs. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, it's all stocks, ETFs, and REITs, which is pretty much I go inside my Robinhood portfolio. Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's all about mindset, investors' mindset. Saturday, cryptos, and then Sunday, it's learning how to invest in physical precious metals. And my go-to metals right now is silver, and then I've started to seep into platinum. So until tomorrow, peace.